How to make a watering can from a plastic bottle. When you buy a watering can, they have a large rose or head on them, with holes in them that are quite large, making it difficult to water some of your small and delicate plants and seedlings. Today I will show you how to make a simple watering can from a plastic bottle. First of all, you need to unscrew the cap from the plastic bottle. Then make some fine holes in the top of it. To make these holes, you can use a drill or a hammer and nail, a drawing compass, or anything with a thin, sharp point. To be suitable for use on delicate plants and seedlings, the holes need to be thin. For this bottle top, I use the point on the drawing compass. Once this is done, fill the bottle up with water and screw the cap back on. And now you can water your seedlings with more control because of the fine spray. Bye for now.